All right, now that I know my domain is all real numbers except for -5 and -4, we have to figure out why there are exceptions to that domain. So what happens is we have parts of the graph called vertical asymptotes, and we have holes in the graph. Now to identify which is which, so we have two exceptions. We have -5 and -4. Since we have two exceptions, we have to state why those are exceptions or what's happening in the graph at those two spots. Now if you have factors, again, we only care about the denominator because zeros in the denominator make it undefined. So if I look at my denominator, I have two factors. I'm going to focus on the x plus 5. So if I have a factor of my denominator that's not in my numerator, like x plus 5, that creates a vertical asymptote. So I have a vertical asymptote at x plus 5. I'm going to set it equal to 0, or x is equal to -5. If I have, like I said, if I have factors of the denominator that are not in the numerator, then those create vertical asymptotes. If you look at the x plus 4, now I have factors of the denominator that are also in the numerator. That creates a hole in the graph. So we have x plus 4 is equal to 0, or x equals -4.